How do you define work? To define work, let us consider an object resting on a floor. Now, if we apply some force, say F, then this object will move at some distance, say D, in the direction of the applied force. Thus, we can define work as the scalar product of the force applied on an object and the distance traveled by that object in the direction of the applied force. Mathematically, work is represented as F into D, where F is the applied force and D is the distance traveled in the direction of force. Note that the SI unit of work is Newton meter or joules, and its dimensional formula is ml square T to the power -2. Related terms are the energy and work-energy theorem. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition, useful information.